Hey everybody, today we're in a Chevy Equinox. We're going to be showing you how to install the ProClip center mount number 855317. Before we get started, there are a couple things we want to mention. First off, this mount does use some double-sided tape. You'll see it as this red covering here. You do want to peel that covering off before you attach the mount, and that tape is designed so that if you ever have to remove the mount in the future, it won't leave any marks or residue behind. Now, second thing is make sure you install the mount onto the dash before you attach anything to this faceplate. Now, this mount attaches into two seams. The first is right here. It's between the chrome part of the vent and the soft part of the dash. The other is on the exact opposite side between the chrome part and the soft part of the dash here. So first you want to take the left-hand edge and you're going to insert it into that seam. And then you kind of want to rotate the mount around so that lip goes underneath the soft part of the dash. And then we just need to press forward on this side of the mount so the other lip goes into the right-hand seam. Once you feel it snap into place, you have a nice solid mounting platform for a custom ProClip device holder. I hope this video has helped. Have a great day.